Yes, sir.
Yes.
Kira funana. It's a dance. No. Funana. Ai, batuco. It's morno. Marna. I'm from Cape Verde. It's morno.
نيزان كذا بشطح. اشطح.
Dance.
Now you. That's your country.
اشطح ديال المغرب.
Now me.
عندك طالع الدراج.
عمر.
Yo.
عمر.
Please.
Please.
Now you.
I don't know.
No, you know. No, Cash. I like that.
Please. Yes. What's your name?
My name's Ayman. I have 12 years. I like football.
What's your name?
My name is Amin Marfoq. I'm from Morocco. I have 50 years old. I love football.
And you?
Hi, my name is Iman. I'm 16 and I love music.
Hi, my name is Anilton Levy. I live in Cape Verde. I love my country. Hey, now you say in you.
Hi, I'm Omar. I'm 10 years old and I love football.
Yeah. Now you say in your language. In Morocco's language.
Hi, I am Ayman من حيث
العربية.
اسمي أيمن.
No, in English. Yeah.
والعربي.
Yeah.
أنا اسمي أيمن عندي 12
No,
عام.
novo, de novo. Start again.
السلام عليكم. أنا اسمي أيمن. عندي 12 عام وكنحب كرة القدم.
السلام عليكم. أنا اسمي أمين مرفوق. عزيز عليه الكسكس.
السلام، أنا اسمي إيمان. عزيز علي الموسيقى. السلام، اسمي عمر. عندي 6 سنين وكنبغي الكرة.
السلام، أنا اسمي نزار. كنبغي الكرة.
Oi, meu nome é Anilton, de Cabo Verde. A mim também gosto de cuscuz, mas cuscuz de minha terra. Ok? Yeah, nice. Talk boy. Say your religion.
I'm Muslim.
You?
I'm Muslim.
I'm Muslim.
I'm all religion. I'm God, you know?
You're God? No, you're not God.
I'm not God, but you understand?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Say your name.
Do you go
Your name?
My name is Haytham. My name is Niza.
أمين مرفوق.
Omar. Iman.
أيمن.
Anilton Levy. Yeah.
Do you go church?
What? Church.
Yes.
Igreja. Church. Igreja. Say religion. Religion. House religion. Yeah. You say igreja. Igreja. Church. What say church?
Church is for Christians.
Christians. Okay. Okay. Now we say food. Food you like in your country.
Yes.
Start.
I like Raja.
What
food?
more?
Food. You mean food?
Food.
ماشي
Food.
What food?
I like couscous and rfisa.
I like paella.
I like دجاج محمر بالفريج أو كسكسو.
دجاج محمر and rfisa and كسكسو.
دجاج محمر. Pizza.
I love all things.
I love cachupa, couscous, fichon, you know? I love everything in Cape Verde.
Everything.
What?
You love everything.
Everything.
Everything. Yeah.
Okay, now in the country, what's your favorite player?
Favorite player.
In my country or world?
All the world.
My favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro.
My favorite player is Ozil. Ozil and Casillas.
My favorite player is Lionel Andres Messi.
Messi. Lionel Messi.
Ai. Me. You start English for our years.
For how long?
How long years you start English?
I started English for 7 years.
When you have?
When I have 6 years.
I started English when I had 5 years old. 5.
The 6.
6. When I have 6.
When I have 14, 13. 12. You know what's that? 14. 14. I feel good. Yo, now you sing a song you like on church.
You can start with us. It's like singing.
No, you can whatever. I'm a singer.
Every singer.
One.
My favorite singer is Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
My favorite singer is Michael Jackson and Beyonce.
Favorite music?
Pink Floyd.
And you?
And you?
No.
Music اللي عزيز عليك. سميتو خليني عزيز عليك. قول داود.
لا.
حاجة الحمكاوية.
Justin Bieber.
No, I don't like it.
I like One Direction.
I like One Direction.
One Direction.
I like One Direction.
I like
One Direction.
I love Cape Verde music. You understand? Oh.
I like rock and roll. Rock and roll.
Now you sing anything.
No,
No,
you
we
can
have
start
a
with
terrible. We have a terrible.
Terrible voice? Yeah. Here? Yeah. Okay. Let's kunana. Sì, Salsa is not hip hop.
Crazy.